Kia ora everybody, and welcome to Nick's Crochet Craft. Today we are going to be having a look at this little ring we made in our magic ring tutorial, and we're going to carry on with making some single crochets. Now that's US terms. In the UK I believe you refer to them as double crochets. So to make a single crochet, what we are going to do is we're going to insert the hook first through the first stitch under both bars. So that's the two top bars of the stitch, and we're just going to yarn over and pull through just once, yarn over again and pull through both of the loops on the hook, and that is a single crochet. Very easy. Through both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. That's insert the hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Insert the hook. And when we reach the end of the round, it's very easy to just insert your hook into the first stitch you made and slide through both loops immediately, make a slip stitch, and then you have it. To start the next round you need the height of the stitch. That's chaining in the height of the stitch, which would be 1 for a single stitch, and insert and carry on as you were. Insert, run over, and goodbye. Thanks for checking out this video. Tutorial suggestions are always welcome below in the comments. Chuck us a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and ka kite anō.